Hey everyone, this is Rachel and welcome to the T on Realty. I'm here at your local branch library in Duval County getting ready and setting up and presenting for another Homebuyers Workshop. So how can you sign up to attend one of our amazing workshops, right? So first you can visit our website at www.thetonrealty.org and click on our home buyers and or sellers, whichever you choose. Select one of our amazing workshops that you want to attend and send us an invitation. We will definitely get back with you. We will let you know how and when the workshop will be. We will also give you the information on the link through eventbrite.com. And actually, you can go directly to eventbrite.com and put in the search engine the T on Realty Incorporated, and you will find us. And all of the workshops that we offer at all of the various different libraries here in Duval County and St. Johns County, because we do relocate, we travel. We want everyone to know about what we're doing. We want everyone to know about our workshops. We want everyone to know about all the services that we provide. Right now, we have a lot of things going on with us. So our workshops are our main focus because educating the community about home ownership is our main goal. Economic development is our main target. When we receive more economic development, our communities are much better. You feel much safer, especially if you are a part of the process. So if you want to learn how to become a homeowner, and you need to know everything about it from beginning to end, definitely reach out to us at the T on Realty and we will be able to provide you with the workshop that works best for you. We offer them in the mornings for those that work in the afternoon, and we also offer, like I'm doing tonight, evening workshops for those that work in the day. So there are workshops available at various times to suit your needs. And if there is a workshop that you don't see that we offer, you can always let us know and we'll be sure to add that particular workshop to our calendar. So once again, we're here hosting a workshop today. Looking forward to it. We're very grateful for what we're doing and with the T on Realty. Also, I want to mention that we're going to be having an awesome Thanksgiving ham drive coming up really soon. We're going to have a link for you guys to share and sign up. There's very, very, very limited amount of ham dinners that we're going to be able to provide this year since it's our first time. This is our first of many annual ham Thanksgiving meal drives for Thanksgiving. We're very excited to be able to do that. So definitely look out for that link, for that ham link for you guys to sign up through Eventbrite when that's available. We're looking forward to that, and we're looking forward to doing a lot more things throughout the end of the year and for 2022. So the T on Realty is doing really big things, guys. We want to say thank you for everyone that's been donating thus far. Continue to donate, because I know you see our calls. I know you see we be out here hustling. We be doing what we need to do. We're doing this for you. We're doing this. The whole point of this is to educate you. That's what we're here to do. That's what we try to do every day that we can service. Our goal is to serve the community. That's what we do. That's what I do as a program specialist here at the T on Realty. So definitely follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn. Share your information, share our information, contact us if you have questions. We do consultations, we do referral basis, we refer. You don't know until you ask us if we provide a service, if that's a service that we provide. But we do work with partnership with local people in the community that will offer a lot of things. So definitely, we are not a brokerage. We don't help people with transactions, but we guide people on what to expect during the transactions, things that you need to know. So that's what the T on Realty is about, the T on Realty.